buckets that say tips on them. Those are the honk organizers. There's one of them right there. Look at that guy in the nose. That guy right there. Please, 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 please. Throw any spare change, dollars, 50s, hundreds, whatever you got. Credit card numbers, bonds, stocks. Throw them right in those buckets, please. That allows us to come back next year and melt your faces off. And that allows you a whole year to grow your faces back.
We envision the festival as a festival of activist bands. And what that means to us is that these are bands who do some form of civic engagement, community building, protesting in their home communities.
Is like no noise is illegal. It's like sort of a catchphrase like that. And I think also we were very intentional about breaking down that boundary between the performer and the spectator or the audience, so that really there's no spectater. Suddenly everyone is engulfed in the same thing because it's not somebody on the stage and somebody out here watching the person on the stage. Right. So everybody on the street in public space together.
Be here. All right, we're gonna play some songs for you, and I have one request. I want to see those booties shake it. We're gonna dance, and we're gonna melt some faces off. So let's play a little music.